This is the EE Sophomores and Beyond Spring Advising Session. We will cover topics that will help you form your academic plan and meet your undergraduate educational goals. This presentation is for EE majors currently taking 2000 level or 3000 level core EE courses, which includes sophomores, juniors, and seniors who are not yet graduating. Have your flowchart handy and be ready to take notes. Write down your questions, which you can email me at eceadvise@mtu.edu or see me in EERC 131. To schedule an advising appointment, please call 487-2550 or go to our main office in 121 and see Michelle. As you complete the sophomore core and take the junior required courses, it is time to think about what areas of the ECE field you'd like to specialize in and what experiences you'd like to add to your undergraduate resume. Know what areas of specialization or focus areas are available. Do you want to pursue a concentration in photonics or enterprise? How about a certificate in hybrid electric vehicle design or electric power engineering? Should you try out the enterprise program? Decide what you'd like to do for your engineering design requirements. Is there a minor or certificate that you are interested in? How about doing a study abroad semester? Should you take a semester off for a co-op? Stay tuned for details and information to help you with these decisions as you plan your remaining semesters. Effective fall 2015, the ECE department offers 2 new concentrations with the Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, Biomedical Applications, and Environmental Applications. Students who began prior to fall 2015 may add a new concentration, but must use the new catalog year 2015-16 and follow the new general education requirements. You can pursue a concentration in photonics or enterprise using your current catalog year. A concentration is not required. There are several categories of electives required with the EE degree. The pink boxes on your flowchart include a Select Approved Elective, which is a list of courses identified by our External Advisory Committee, and other approved electives chosen from a broader list of math, science, and engineering credits. A minimum number of EE electives are required, usually 15 credits. These are upper-level EE courses not specifically required for the major that you choose across a variety of focus areas. Your catalog year may include some free elective credits, which can be anything but co-curricular activities or something that's a duplicate or prereq to something you've already taken. Choose one course from this list of select approved elective courses. These courses are suggested by industry advisors of our curriculum and are non-EE courses that add to the knowledge and breadth of your EE education. Look for the list of select approved electives in your online degree audit and in the ECE advising blog. A select approved elective course is not required for students using 2012 and earlier catalog years. The EE degree has a category of credits called Approved Electives. Approved electives include math, science, engineering, computer science, co-op, and enterprise. The number of credits needed depends on your catalog year and can be seen in your online degree audit. Students who choose 4 semesters of enterprise project work for their design requirements may use ENT 3950 and 3960 credits in approved electives of the non-math or science type. Students using catalog year 2011 and earlier need a minimum of 5 credits from the math and science part of the list. Essential Math and UChem will count for this. After completion of the junior level required EE courses, you will be ready to take courses in the various focus areas of EE to fulfill your EE electives requirement. These are lecture-based courses and labs taught in the ECE department. The courses fall into one or more of the various areas of specialization or focus areas and include courses in control systems, electromagnetics, electronics, photonics, power and energy, signal processing, and communication. Research, co-op credits, and independent study credits may not count toward EE electives. This list shows EE elective courses grouped by focus area and is available on the EE Advising webpage. The EE degree for catalog year 2012 requires a minimum of 13 credits of EE electives. All other catalog years require a minimum of 15 credits. This shows up in your online degree audit. Use the online course catalog to get the latest information on EE elective courses, their prerequisites, and semester offered. EE electives are offered in fall or spring, not both, so plan ahead to get the courses you'd like. Be sure to check for new courses and one-time offerings under the course number EE 4800 each semester. You do not have to take all the classes listed in a focus area. You can mix and match them as you like. It is a good idea for your resume to have a strong focus in at least one area. Get to know faculty who teach and research in areas you might like and ask them lots of questions about courses you are considering. We have a most excellent photonics program here in the ECE department. Photonics deals with the use and control of photons rather than electrons. With the EE degree, you can earn a concentration in photonics or take photonics courses for a focus area or EE elective credit. Examples of photonics applications in industry include robotic sensing and vision, imaging in digital photography, outer space photography, medical imaging, laser sensing, surveillance, remote sensing, and satellite design. If you are interested in photonics, consider taking EE 3090 in fall, Introduction to Geometric and Wave Optics. To continue in photonics, take EE 3190 in spring, Optical Sensing and Imaging. The other core photonics courses are Photonic Material and Devices and Laser Systems. If you wish to declare a concentration in photonics, complete a curriculum add-drop form and see me. Feel free to contact and meet with our photonics faculty to learn more. Dr. Durdu Gone in 729, Dr. Chris Middlebrook in 623, and Dr. Mike Ragaman in 503. If you wish to take EE 3090 in fall, you must have these three courses complete before then: differential equations, multivariable calculus, and university physics 2. If you haven't yet taken EE 3140, electromagnetics, take it in fall along with EE 3090. You may postpone a Haas elective or approved elective to fit in EE 3090. If you can't have the prerequisites complete on time for this coming fall, you can take EE 3090 in the following fall. After completing EE 3090, you may take EE 3190 in the spring semester. You need to be familiar with the three options for completing your engineering design requirements. One is the year-long senior design project sponsored by industry. The EE 4901 and 4910 project begins in the fall of your last year and ends in spring. You will be on a design team working on an engineering solution for your company sponsor, who is your customer. If you need a fall graduation date, you can join a mechanical engineering senior design team that begins in a spring semester. You can complete your design requirements in the enterprise program by doing 4 semesters of project work in your last 4 semesters at TAC at the 3,000 and 4,000 level. Or you may decide to go abroad on the European project semester, a 1-semester project in industry at a university in Europe where you are part of a design team with engineering majors from a variety of countries. You must complete design fundamentals and electronics before beginning your engineering design year. The Enterprise program at TAC is an undergraduate research and development program. Students can develop their business and leadership skills in the Enterprise program as well. Enterprise is not required. If you join Enterprise, you'll be on a team working on a project for a competition, an industry sponsor, or a student's idea. The ECE department hosts 3 enterprises: Blue Marble Security, advised by Dr. Archer; Wireless Communication, advised by Kit Sischke; and Automotive Computing, or ACE, which is a part of the Hybrid Electric Vehicle Enterprise and is advised by Dr. Lukowski. You may join any enterprise on campus. You might try it out for a semester, or you could decide to use enterprise project work to meet your engineering design requirements in your junior and senior years. Other enterprises you might check out include Aerospace, Advanced Metalworks, Formula SAE, Super Mileage Vehicle, International Business Ventures, Husky games, and robotic systems. Attend information meetings and meet with enterprise advisors to help you decide. All enterprises use the same course numbers, but have a unique section number which is found in the schedule of classes. The course numbers are synced with the four-year plan. You will find a guide to enterprise enrollment in our advising blog. If you have 4 semesters left at Tech starting in the fall, register for ENT 3950. If you have 5 semesters left, register for ENT 2960. Most enterprises require the signature of the enterprise advisor at registration time using the special approval waiver form. Remember that the engineering design sequence begins with ENT 3950 when you have 4 semesters left. Michigan Tech offers over 50 minors. Some minors include courses that may double count toward your major, such as mathematics, remote sensing, electronic materials, economics, or a language. You may double count as many credits as possible, except for 6 credits. Reserve 6 credits of upper-level minor coursework which cannot count toward your major, except in free electives. Find the full list of minors in the online undergraduate catalog and the requirements for minors on the Degree Services website. Michigan Tech also offers certificates. Certificates provide students with knowledge of a disciplinary or interdisciplinary subfield. A certificate is a separate document from your diploma. You might consider the Hybrid Electric Drive Vehicle Engineering Certificate, which includes enterprise experience. EE majors specializing in power and energy might consider the certificate in Electric Power Engineering in their senior year. Find the list of certificates offered and their specific requirements on the Degree Services website or in the undergraduate catalog. You can double count as many credits as possible toward your major. If you decide to pursue a minor, certificate, concentration, double major, or second degree, use the Curriculum Add Drop form to add it and indicate your pursuit to the record system. This must be done with the academic advisor in the department that offers the minor or certificate or major. If you'd like to add a concentration in photonics or enterprise, or add a certificate in electric power engineering, bring your curriculum add drop form to Judy. After the form is processed, you will be able to monitor your progress using your online degree audits. To change your major, bring this form to the advisor of the new major. A co-op experience is encouraged and highly recommended by students who've done this. The experience can expose you to one or more areas of specialty in your field and what it is like to be working as a professional. Companies prefer students' resumes with co-op experience for permanent positions. A co-op experience can help you with career path decisions and focus area choices. Create a resume and update it every semester. Upload it to the Career Services database. Attend career fairs and talk with companies about future opportunities. A good time to co-op is fall of junior year. Co-oping is usually a summer plus 1 semester and adds a semester to your graduation plans. Be sure to plan around Design Fundamentals course EE 3901, which is offered only in spring semesters. The Career Services staff offers help with creating resumes and practicing for interviews. If you choose to do a co-op for credit, you'll be required to write a report, you'll earn a grade, and co-op will be listed on your transcript. The co-op advisor is Kirsty Arco. Career Services and the co-op office are located on the 2nd floor of the admin building. If you would like to experience living and studying abroad, consider one of the many programs offered through our International Programs and Services office. Attend one of the workshops on a Tuesday at 11 a.m. or a Thursday at 2 p.m. in the admin building, room 200. Watch the Study Abroad Advising video, which is in your Canvas Advising course and at the link on this slide. A study abroad semester will enhance your resume, giving you experience adapting, living, and communicating in another culture. You can meet your engineering design requirement with the European project semester. The ECE department offers an accelerated master's program. Students may apply up to 6 credits of 4,000 or 5,000 level coursework toward both a bachelor's and a master's. This leaves 24 credits remaining to complete a master's in electrical engineering or computer engineering, which can be done in 1 year's time. Apply for the Accelerated Master's Program in your junior year. A minimum cumulative GPA of 3.25 is required to apply and to remain in the program. MTU also offers a one-year MBA program. Contact Jody Philpus in the Department of Business and Economics if you are interested. If you are taking classes elsewhere in summer that are prerequisites to something you need in fall, notify the transfer office at transfer@mtu.edu. Complete a guest application if needed. Use the transfer equivalency list to find courses. If a course you need is not on the list, send an official copy of the syllabus to transfer@mtu.edu for credit evaluation. A grade of C or higher is required to transfer credits to MTU. Details on how to find and transfer courses are covered in the Transfer Credit Advising video available in your Canvas Advising course and at the link at the top of this slide. You have 4 GPAs, grade point averages, that are calculated in the record system. Your cumulative GPA is calculated using all courses taken at TAC. Your departmental GPA uses all courses with a prefix of EE and begins calculating after you reach 16 credits of EE coursework. Your engineering GPA uses most of your first-year courses, and your semester or term GPA uses the grades of all courses taken in one semester. To remain in good academic standing or to get off academic probation, your cumulative, department, and semester GPAs must each be 2.0 or higher. Both your cumulative and your departmental GPAs must be 2.0 or higher to graduate. Graduating with academic honors is well worth striving for. With a cumulative GPA of 3.9 or higher, you will graduate summa cum laude. With a cumulative GPA of 3.7 through 3.89, magna cum laude, and with a GPA of 3.5 through 3.69, cum laude. Details on academic honors are found on the Dean of Students website. Courses with a grade of CD or lower may be repeated for a higher grade. A failed required course for your major must be repeated. The most recent grade is used in your GPA calculation and the prior grade drops out. If you repeat a course with a D grade and earn an F the second time, it's the F that counts. If you repeat a course, take it very seriously. Go to every class and do all the homework again, and don't assume you know it from before. Students are allowed 3 attempts to pass a course. For a third and final attempt, special approval is required from the Dean of Students and financial aid offices. If you are having trouble in a course or getting behind, meet with your instructor to discuss your progress and strategies to improve. If you are earning an F, it might be best to drop it. Friday, March 27th is the last day to drop a course this semester with a grade of W, which does not affect your GPA. The last day to drop a full semester spring course is Friday, March 27th. To drop a course, go to the Student Services Center in the admin building during business hours. No drops are allowed after March 27th, unless you have circumstances outside of your control, in which case permission is required from the Dean of Students office. Track B courses may be dropped by March 18th without a grade. April 10th is the deadline to drop a Track B course with a grade of W. After April 10th, no drops are allowed except in extenuating circumstances. If you forgot to attend your Track B PE course, you might consider dropping it. Use your online degree audit report to ensure you are choosing correct courses for your degree and to monitor your progress toward degree completion. Run your report before and after the scheduling of your next set of classes. Watch the degree audit video to learn how to read and use your audit report. Your online degree audit is used to verify you've met all requirements for graduation. You are responsible for meeting the correct general education requirements for your degree and catalog year. Students who began in academic year 2013-14 or in 2014-15, watch the General Education Advising video at this link. All others, use the General Education section of your online degree audit and your Spring Advising video from your freshman or sophomore year, or go to the General Education Advising website. The ECE Advising blog can answer many questions about enterprise, senior design, general education, including the SBS and HUF A-lists, and much else. The ECE Advising website contains flowcharts, lists of electives, and brief announcements. Find our faculty, their areas of specialty, and contact information on the department website. For registration details, go to the Prepare for Registration webpage. For majors, minors, certificates, and online degree audits, or DARS, go to the Degree Services website. And to find out if you made the Dean's List or for information on policies or academic probation, go to the Dean of Students website. For advising help, you can use emails, walk-ins, or scheduled appointments. When you email Judy or Trevor, include your name, major, and M number. To schedule an advising appointment, call 487-2550 or go to the main office and see Michelle. Have a great rest of the semester.